Hey guys, we're gonna do an all famous unboxing, and the watch just got here, so this is a real unboxing. I have not seen it, and let's see if my research worked out. I got this watch on eBay a few days ago. They're cheap, and it's a project watch. It's a project watch. Let's see, where is it? Not in here. We'll throw this back. Ah, there it is. There it is, guys. We're seeing it together for the first time. A nice vintage chronograph. She's nice. And this one's going to be all stainless steel, I can guarantee. It's nice and rare to get an all stainless steel chronograph. Let me get the box out of the way. There we go. This is nice. The pictures were shoddy when I bought it. And let's find out together what type of movement and what it's missing. So let's do this together, guys. Pull it up. Open her up. Nice. Nice. Look at that balance trying to move. Oh yeah. Pushers are sticky, that's not an issue. This is beautiful, guys. There we go, she's going, and she's going. Nice time craft project. It's missing right here and right here. The chronograph is not setting, so it should be a quick flip. And guys, I'll show you exactly what I paid for it. That way you guys we'll keep on the trend of N.O.P, never overpay. Nope, never overpay. So guys, we'll go to my eBay. That's what I paid for the watch. $75 and $7 shipping. Now, I could do a little bit of work on this watch and flip it right away for $150 to $200. But some of these sites, if they would have this watch, they would want $650 to $800. So there is my point, guys, and this is what I'm going to do on this channel. I am going to show you guys, I'm going to avoid you guys from overpaying. So that's the new catchphrase. Nope. N.O.P, never overpay, guys. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. I'll show you the end result whenever it's done, and it shouldn't take me that much. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Guys, watch is complete now. So took me I want to say a better part of a few hours to get it done, and it's running, resetting, and doing everything as it should. So $75, guys. There you go.